we will carry on. Item 3 is the confirmation of the minutes of the extraordinary council meeting on the 14th of April 2020. Do we have any points of clarification of those minutes or any adjustments? No, all pretty straightforward. Could I have a mover please for those minutes? Thank you, Councillor Guy, seconded by Councillor Boddy. All those in favour please say aye. Against? Carried. Item 3.2, extraordinary council meeting on the 5th of May 2020. Any points of clarification of those minutes? No, if I could have a move. Thank you, Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Leonard. Thank you. All those in favour please say aye. Against? Carried.
Through the chair.
Yes, Councillor Williamson.
Sorry, should I just back up a wee bit to go back to 3.1 and 4.2 regarding the Lake Taupo Protection Project resolution. We had the Lake Taupo Protection Project Committee had a meeting last Friday with several councillors from both Regional and District Council to discuss the extra resolution that Regional Council were wanting to include going forward in the long-term plan consultation process. So they have a meeting, I think, this week to discuss the outcome or if there's any change of the message going forward to try and align both Regional and District Council going forward into the long-term plan, which is the ideal situation from our perspective and also for the community. Thank you.
Thank you, Councillor Williamson. Sorry. I did miss that in the minutes there, but thank you to those councillors external of that committee for joining us. It was truly appreciated to give us that support, so thank you for raising that, Councillor Williamson.